gonna be a temporary fix. This is what we gotta work with. Extra parts laying around. We'll figure it out. We'll get it done. Got it lined up. Just gotta get her in. Got our little charcoal grill helping hold. Tap it in with our rubber mallet. That should center it, and we can continue. Now we use a rubber mallet because you don't want to dent this. Expensive. There she goes. Well, we got her sealed up pretty tight right there. Looks pretty good to me. I'll just seal the barrier, anchor her up, and keep her level to be able to fire her up. Alrighty, she's stabilized. She's not going nowhere, at least for a while. Seal her up, fire a bitch up, in there. Alright, she's sealed up. That straight line. Let's run her. Let's see. A lot quieter. Still tough sounding though. That's how you do right there. Temporary fix.